In our final example of this section, we are going to talk about maps and how we solve problems with maps. So this is actually a very, very cool kind of stuff, and this is very practical. So imagine you have a map, right? And so what it tells you is that the distance between the house and your favorite store on the map shows up as 7 inches, right? Now, you know the scale of the map is 1 inch is the same as 2 miles. So then you ask, okay, what's the actual distance? Obviously, it's not going to be 7 inches, right? You got to figure out what it is. Okay, so the distance on the actual map is 7 inches. So this right here is like 7 inches, but we need to know what the actual mileage is. Okay, so we're going to set up a proportion. So it tells us that the map distance would be on the top and then the actual would be on the bottom. So first, let's figure out, look, always first take the scale, right? So it'll tell you what to put. On the map, it's 1 inch. On the actual, it's 2 miles. So 1 inch goes on the top, 2 miles goes on the bottom. Now, I'm going to set up the same exact thing as far as the distance between your house and the store. So on the map, it's 7 inches and map goes on the top. So this is map, this is map. And the actual, we don't know, so that's X. See? This is how I set up the proportion, and now I can go ahead and solve it by cross multiplying. So this way, and then multiply it maybe this way right here, okay? And so then let's go ahead and solve. So we've got 1 multiplied by x equals 7 multiplied by 2. So x equals 7 multiplied by 2, that's 14. Okay, so the actual distance between your house and the store is 14 miles, which is pretty easy to even understand, because it's like, 1 inch is 2 miles, so how many is 7 inches? You just multiply it by 2, right? And that's how you get 14, so it's not that hard. All right.